needed for installation include an SDS drill, a 10mm SDS drill bit, a blower, an angle grinder, an impact gun fitted with a 13mm socket, a Stanley knife and a spirit level. All AQUIKO penstocks come complete with fixing kit. They include threaded bar, rawl plugs, screws, washers, spring washers, nuts, anchor drill adapter, copper grease, super glue, chemical capsules and foam EPDM seal. On the rear of the penstock is a groove for the EPDM seal. Apply this along the grooves, making a good seal between the joints. Use super glue to help it adhere. To assemble your anchors, squeeze copper grease onto the end of your threaded bar. Slide on the washer, the spring washer, then screw the nut on so they look like this. Offer your penstock up to the wall. Depending on the size, you may need assistance. Drill into the concrete to the appropriate depth. See packaging for depths. Blow out the concrete dust to ensure the capsules set correctly. Drop your chemical capsules into the drilled holes. Attach the anchor drill adapter onto the end of the anchor, then use a drill or impact gun to drive them in. Ensure you apply enough pressure to break the glass capsules. Remove any excess threaded bar. Drill the fixing points at the top and bottom of the penstock gate. Secure the screw into the rawl plug and insert into the hole. Hammer in until the rawl plug is flush with the concrete. Screw home with an impact gun or drill. That's your penstock fully installed. If you have any questions or queries, give us a call or visit our website.